This dance is called Monday Morning. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improver level line dance with 1 restart. Starting on the right foot with an extended syncopated vine to the right. So we step the right to the side, cross the left behind, right to the side, cross the right, left over the right, step the right to the side. Rock back on the left, but you're going to do a cross back rock, so you're going to be crossing the left behind the right as you do so. Into a hinge half turn. So quarter turn right as you step back on that left, further quarter turn right as you step the right to the side. So that set of steps once more then, into that extended syncopated vine. Off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn. Cross the left over the right, make a quarter turn left as you step back on that right. Shuffle back on the left, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a full turn over 2 steps. Now if you don't wish to do this full turn, just walk forward, right, left. Otherwise it's half a turn left as you step back on that right, half a turn left as you step forward on the left. That set of steps once more then. Cross, turn, into that back shuffle, off on the left. 7, 8, cross, turn, back shuffle, back, rock, full turn. Now I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're actually doing the walkthrough. I will be doing the non-turning walk-walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. So let's add that to the top. Extended syncopated vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, turn, back, shuffle, back, rock, full turn. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left. Into a syncopated, extended weave to the left. So we're going to cross the right over the left, left to the side, right behind, left to the side, cross the right over the left. That set of steps once more then, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Let's add that to the top. Vining to the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, turn, back, shuffle, back, rock, full turn, walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right. Cross shuffle, left over right, cross, side, cross, cross. Rock to the side on the right. As you recover your weight, make a quarter turn to the left. Step forward on the right, pivot half a turn to the left. End the dance when we get to that point. So that set of steps once more then, side rock cross shuffle, off on the left. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, rock, turn, step, pivot. Now there is the equivalent of a 3/4 turn with that rock, it's called side rock quarter turn and the step pivot half. If you want to try and take that out, what you can actually do, once you've done your side rock cross shuffle, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. Don't put that turn in there. Then rock back on the right. As you recover your weight on the left, make a quarter turn to the right. So side rock, back rock, quarter turn, should you need to try and take that 3/4 of turn out in that last section. So let's put it all together, from the top, all the way through. Vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, turn, back, shuffle, back, rock, full, turn, walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, rock, turn, step, pivot. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Vine into the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is your dance. Hopefully you've got a feel for the timing. Now it is a 4-ball dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 balls. Vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, turn, back, shuffle, back, rock, full, turn. Walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, rock, turn, step, pivot, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, turn, back, shuffle, back, rock, full, turn, walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, rock, turn, step, pivot, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, turn, back, shuffle, back, rock, full, turn, walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, rock, turn, step, pivot. So that's your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 3 after 16 counts. So halfway through the dance. So you would have just done your full turn, and at that point you restart. So wall 3 is our 6 o'clock wall. Let's take you up to the restart point and restart the dance. Vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, turn, back, shuffle, back, rock, full, turn. Restart, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock. So hopefully you get a feel for where that restart comes in. 16 counts, wall 3. So that is your dance. That's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, turn, back, shuffle, back, rock, full, turn, walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, rock, turn, step, pivot, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, turn, back, shuffle, back, rock, full, turn, walk, walk, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, rock, turn, step, pivot, vine, restart, walk, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, turn, back, shuffle, back, rock, full turn, restart, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, turn, back, shuffle, back, rock, full turn, walk, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, rock, turn, step, pivot, vine, cross, turn, walks, side rock, vine, cross turn,
till that Friday rocks his world.
walks,
After Saturday on Jackson Brown, he's Sunday morning coming down.
side
Then
rock,
he's right back to missing that girl. Turns
Line.
up misery and gin. Here we are again. Monday morning.
cross turn, walks, side rock, vine,
Wednesday spins the Beatles, Thursday is the Eagles. Take it
Cross turn.
easy till that Friday rocks his world. After Saturday on Jackson Brown, he's Sunday morning coming down, and he's right back to missing that girl. Turns up misery and gin. Here we are again, Monday morning road. That's just the way I am. Send me back home again to Monday morning road. Monday morning road.
hope you managed that one.